Okay, so good day guys. Today's video is going to be on Engineering Flier, how to make an Engineering Flier. So we'll be going over to Chrome. We tap on Poster My Wall. We search for Poster My Wall. postermywall.com. So once it opens up, we go to New Design, then search for Engineering Flier. Okay, Engineering Flier. Search. So there are lots of engineering flyers you can get on Poster My Wall. So you get a suitable one that you would want to make use of. So there are lots and lots and lots of them. As you keep scrolling down, you keep seeing lots of them. Lots of engineering flyers you can make use of. Now let's go for the first one we just saw here. This one here. Okay, just wait patiently, it's opening. So one beautiful thing about Poster My Wall is that you get to edit those videos, your write-ups. You have to edit them and input yours. The designs are already made. What you have to do is just to edit. That's what you have to do. Okay, now this one has "We Build Your Dream Home." Then some of the write-ups that are not in English format or in English form, you can just edit it. Let's edit it. We build your dream. We build your dream home. Okay, let's go back. This is option for going back. Okay, so we build your dream home. Call us today. Let's put it in that form. So let's make it in capital letter. Call us today. Nice one. Okay, so now this is it. This one says what we do. Okay, we can just write, we give you that beautiful home you desire. We give you that beautiful home. You desire. We give you that beautiful home you desire. Okay. Now construction services is painting, carpeting, roofing, decorating, lining, flooring. So everything here is all nice. Okay, now we'll go over to the numbers and the website. So you can change the number here. As you can see, it is not a Nigerian number. You can change it and put your company number. So plus 234. You can just, let me just put a random number, but 0706479340. 20. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Let's remove the 0 in front of this one. Okay, let's remove the 0 here. 70. Good. Now on the website, you can put a website here. www dot website www dot, let's say, let's just put houseworld .com as a website. But then below here you see something that looks like the logo or the write-up for Poster My Wall app that we used in making the flyer. So once you save this image here, it automatically goes out. But if you save it and it is still here, you can easily remove it. Just take it over to Pixel Lab or Canva. During the course of this training, you see how you can do that. You just use a shape to cover up that side that has the write-up of the Poster My Wall, because it's not meant to have that write-up. It's a professional advert flyer you're making for someone or for yourself, so it's not meant to have it. So this is just it. We've already made a simple design, very beautiful, just like this. We've gotten an engineering flyer. Right, so that is that about that. So we'll be stopping here. I hope we got value from this short video, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, share, like, and comment. Okay, so once you're done, you go over to the save button and save your video, your flyer app. Now it is saved already. You download. And once it downloads, it automatically saves into your gallery. It automatically saves into your gallery. So that is that about that. We are done for this. So thank you very much, guys, and do have a nice day.